This is a place shaped by a movement of railroads and revolutions, of creatives and cowboys, where the frontier never faded, but just found new trails to blaze. Mornings begin with cool mountain air and warm sunshine. Evenings settle with craft beer, wide skies, and music echoing off red rocks. You might imagine a place that's handcrafted and homegrown, a city a mile high, nestled between the plains and the peaks. But to us, it's much more than that. It's where we cheer the loudest. It's where we laugh the most. It's where we dropped off our kids at school and later watched our grandkids take their first steps. It's not just where we started our company. It's not just where we work. It's where we choose to live. And we can't wait to share it with you. Welcome to our home. Welcome to Denver.